Good afternoon, Gary Bartlett, your personal estate agent. I'm here in Terrace Road in Sittingbourne to show you this 2/3 bedroom mid-terrace property. Now this is mid refurbishment. I don't know whether that's a word, but we're going to go with it. But let's go inside and take a look. There you go. As you can see, the property does need a little bit of work, but I really think that gives you the opportunity to put your own stamp on it. So why not pick up the phone and give me a call on 07834 9 777 28. See you later.